someone can just record the quantity of the trash in the trash bin in the day in several time periods. So
Okay, quantity. So is it by weight, by volume? How is it measured?
By weight, by tons.
By weight, by tons. How much garbage does Vietnam produce per year in metric tons? Or per capita, per person?
I read the data, but I didn't try to remember the number. This is a huge number. But I do know about the data. It's I don't know. I think in general in Vietnam, the urban population is about 26%, and then it's our these amount of people make or produce 50% of garbage. So that means a lot due to their more affluent lifestyle and more commercial lifestyle.
So is there a ranking for Vietnam in the world of how much trash it produces per capita?
I mean, I think I didn't read about the data, but I think even Ukraine is still highest because all of the data are not reliable in some way. So they use, different governments in different countries use different measurements. So you can't really see there's a ranking basis, the trash amount.
Is there any distinction between the garbage from tourism and the garbage from non-tourist industries?
I think it's the same because it's all about garbage.
Yeah, I think we were talking about waste sorting, so it's more how can we deal with the garbage, the trash, but not if it's from the tourist or from the local people.
Okay.
So, second question is, what will happen when we run out of land to use as rubbish dumps?
Any landfill or?
Yeah. What will happen when we run out of land to use as garbage dumps?
Maybe they will less land for us to live.
I think before that we should prevent. Because I know in Sweden they use these garbage and they burn them or they burn them and make them into energy. So it's more sustainable in some way. And also, I think, as we said, the hierarchy of the waste, we should reduce the amount of waste into landfill. Instead, we should prevent and we should reuse them beforehand, before we put them into the soil.
And it's the reason why we're here to give other solutions to prevent using land for garbage dump.
Yeah, that's also why we said education is very important.
Good. Any questions from anybody? Would anybody like to ask a question? Go ahead.
So, in some developed countries, they will grant you a license to pollute the environment. So, for example, if you produce paper, so in 1 year they will grant you license that you have to pay a certain amount of money. So, and then they can let you pollute 100 tons of plastic. Do you agree with that? Measure.
You mean basically we have to do a fine for the pollution.
Yeah, but they give you a license. That's legally so. But do you agree with that?
I'm not being honest.
Anh ơi
I think it always depends how harmful the trash or the harmful gas is produced from the company. If it is really dangerous, it can't recover from for 100 years, and we never give them a license. But I mean, for the lessons, I think it's available or it's okay. I agree. I mean, maybe we should give some companies the license. They have to pay the fine. They also have to deal with their trash.
So we're talking about the way they live in litter and they don't sort the garbage and they just put it in the road, not to give them to collectors. So we mean that we have to change our way to deal with the garbage. And we quite agree somehow because when there's a limit, the companies will may reduce the garbage they leave that destroy the environment. Yeah, something.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.